On this video, we explain on how to connect the proper bulbs, with corresponding voltage, and watts, that connected on a single battery supply. This electrical diagrams has only one battery supply, which is 12 volts 200 amperes. If we like to energize a one bulb, we must connect a bulb that's specified for 12 volts only. Always use a separate switch for its own circuit. The voltage, and the type of source, like DC, or AC, is very important for the bulb. No matter how many watts we like to put, as long as it is below the capacity of the battery supply. The second group of connection is when you like to energize the two bulbs. We must divide the supply voltage into half, which is 12 volts, to become 6 volts. Then, we must connect a 2 pieces 6 volts bulbs, that connected on series to its own circuit. The third group has 3 bulbs that connected on series. Since the battery supply is 12 volts, we must divide the 12 volts into 3, to become 4 volts for each bulb voltage. Remember that we should always connect these 3 bulbs together into one separate group, with its own switch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and follow to my channel, Knowledge Link Information.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that.